your boy JG. Today, got something special for y'all. I'm actually gonna be doing 2 videos. Oof, man, that thing look crazy. Crazy. Yo, this is my favorite angle. Let me show y'all real quick. Sheesh. That's just sunlight right there. That's why I look like that, but damn, look at that shit, yo. Oh my God. Tints first. So I'm actually gonna be tinting the taillights on my 2023 Dodge Durango RT. We ordered these taillights on Amazon. So if you wanna do this to your Dodge Durango, I'm gonna put the link in the description for you so you can check it out. Let's go. I got the bad boy parked outside. We ordered these a while ago and we were supposed to get it done with the tint, fully tinted out the car. But the dude that tinted out the car said he ain't know how to put it on or some weird shit. Maybe they didn't have time to do it. Oh, freak-a-deek. That should be enough space right there. Hold on. Oh my God, it's so mean. It was raining today, so car is a little bit dirty, but should be able to make it work. First things first, same thing they always tell you when you're about to put on tints. You're gonna use soap water. So this is just some detergent and water put together. Boom. You're gonna spray everything down, clean it up. So this is how the tint comes when we order it on Amazon. So it's a sheet, it's like a sheet of paper. Oh, cool. All right, so we've got the 2 tail light plus the back side. All right, guys, moving on to the real deal now. Spray both sides, that soapy water. For the first part, I've realized, so as y'all saw me working on this dam, bruh, I ended up getting like some little, it's my first time, man, I ain't expect to do perfect, but I think that all the outside is actually really good. You know what I'm saying? I think it sticked really well. Quality looks pretty good too, so that was not bad, that was pretty decent. First job, you know what I'm saying? Three little, 4 little, 5 little bubbles, you know what I'm saying? That's fine. All right, now I'm gonna move on to this side right here so we can get kind of half done and half not done, right? It's almost nighttime, but I can see, got one side done. This one, if you want me to be honest, I did a lot better than the other one, but we still got 2 little bubbles, bro. Unbelievable. This out, yeah, your boy becoming a professional tinter. Tint squeegee. Yeah. Them things went nice. It's getting dark too. Perfect time. All right, now see that outside part. About to get that done now. That's gonna look crazy. That's gonna look stupid fire when I finish with that. Check that side angle out, y'all. Shit looks crazy. Now I'm doing the outside part. So that's this, the light basically. The main Dodge Durango light. We're tinting that one too. So I'm getting busy with that. You know what I'm saying? The next morning,